throw it?
Oh, this is throwing.
Hey, so recently I got VRChat, and here's some of the best moments. And if you enjoyed it, please consider liking the video or subscribing to the channel. Enjoy.
Oh,
Hold on.
oh, I got it.
Wait, I got a ton of these. Hold up.
Oh, I got this. I got this.
Hold up. I got another one.
Wait. Oh, it stopped loading. Being out of control. What the
Oh,
heck?
look, these things also act as really good Beyblades.
Oh, this one's better.
Yeah.
Stop putting that on my face, please. I'm not sure if I can record this.
If it's safe. Not safe. This was like started VRChat. First one I saw.
Oh, we vibing out now. Wait.
Hey, this is where it's found. Oh no.
Hey. Oh, what the? Oh no.
Run.
Oh,
God.
You crashed. It's
I'm
good.
saving this one.
That's a good one.
What else? Red.
I joined it before you could make me crash.
Damn it.
What? Is it not family friendly?
You want to find out? Stay a little bit longer.
Hey. Oh no, this ain't family friendly.
Yo, they got fucking spaghetti. Funny just like to joke around with that. We're just like,
Whoa. What, like
no, like say and all you're good.
No.
Please tell me it goes faster. Where is it? Can you move backwards over that?
What is that?
Burger King.
Oh, back away. Creepo.
Burger King.
Why are you slowly sliding to me?
Dude, it's an actual cooking game. Pepperoni cheese pizza, quick.
How do you make it? Where's the cheese? I got the cheese. Where we put the cheese? Where?
No.
What? I dropped it. It's not gonna taste as good, but it's fine. Alright, where's the bread? I got the pan.
Where's the pizza dough? Or not pizza dough. Where's... No, yeah, pizza dough. Where's
I got it. Alright, I plopped it.
Flatten it.
There you go.
Oh.
Alright, nice. Get the cheese.
Oh, I washed the plate.
Alright, this pizza's a bit burnt, but it's fine.
What do you mean that's a bit burnt? That thing turned into a slab of charcoal.
You need plates?
Yes.
Alright, the cheese.
This is dirty.
But the
Right, good plates. Good plates. Oh, salad.
Stick to the thing.
This is only a beta. This is cool.
Thing in the thing. Come on.
Beta. Wait, no.
Wait, I need a plate.
Tomatoes.
No, pick up the pizza.
Order fries. Wait. Yeah.
I just fling the pizza.
Oh no, that's...
Damn it. You're fired.
You're fired.
I don't care.
No! We got 1 star.
Let's get. Damn
How
it.
do we get 3?